Hello, I'm the Sandman. Today I want to show you how to regulate the air in your sand picture. As you know, the amount of air is determining if your sand picture is moving fast or slow. If there is only little air in your sand picture, like this one, the air cannot hold the sand. You see, where there's no air, the sand is moving fast. It will move very fast and create just flat dunes or nothing at all. This example shows what happens if there is too much air in the sand picture. The air will block the sand completely. The sand cannot penetrate this air barrier and nothing will happen. Now I show you how you can fix this one and fix this one. For the air regulation you need the injector and the air scale. The air scale here is showing you the right amount of air you need for a sand picture that's moving like this one, slowly creating the kind of mountains, landscapes. Let us start with this one. Too much air. Get the air scale into the corner. Take care not to push it under the frame. It must be right in the corner. Now put in some air into your injector. Stick through the air hole into the picture. Blow the needle free, and now you can take out air according to the line, according to the air scale. So, let's see what happens here. It will be moving beautifully. Now let us take care about the sand picture with too little air inside. Again the same, get the air scale into the corner, take in air into your injector, push it through the hole, and now add air according to the air scale here. That's it. That's how simple it is. Turn it over and it will create beautiful landscapes.